How to use AI in online advertising campaigns for better targeting and personalization in 2024. Step 1. Understand the basics of AI in online advertising. AI is a subset of machine learning that enables computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. In online advertising, AI is used to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions to optimize ad targeting and personalization. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Determine your target audience by analyzing demographics, interests, behaviors, and preferences. Use tools like Google Analytics and social media analytics to gather data on your existing audience. Step 3. Set up your ad campaign. Create a new ad campaign on your preferred advertising platform, such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads. Set clear goals for your campaign, such as increasing conversions or improving brand awareness. Step 4. Choose your AI-powered targeting options. Select the AI-powered targeting options available in your ad platform, such as lookalike targeting, targets users who resemble your existing audience. Interest-based targeting, targets users who have shown interest in specific topics or products. Behavioral targeting, targets users who have exhibited specific behaviors, such as purchasing habits. Step 5. Use data-driven insights to inform your targeting. Use AI-powered analytics tools to analyze your audience's behavior, preferences, and interests. Use this data to inform your targeting decisions and create more effective ad campaigns. Step 6. Optimize your ad creative. Use AI-powered tools to optimize your ad creative, such as image recognition, automatically generates high-quality images based on user preferences. Video optimization, automatically optimizes video ads for maximum engagement. Step 7. Leverage user-generated content, UGC campaigns. Use AI-powered UGC campaigns to collect and showcase user-generated content, such as reviews and testimonials. Use this content to create more engaging and personalized ad campaigns. Step 8. Implement retargeting campaigns. Use AI-powered retargeting campaigns to target users who have abandoned their shopping carts or visited your website but haven't converted. Use retargeting ads to re-engage these users and encourage them to complete their purchase. Step 9. Utilize programmatic advertising. Use programmatic advertising to automate the buying and selling of ad inventory in real time. Use AI-powered programmatic platforms to optimize ad placement and targeting. Step 10. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Use AI-powered analytics tools to monitor your campaign performance and optimize your targeting, ad creative, and bidding strategies. Make data-driven decisions to improve your campaign performance. Step 11. Use AI-powered chatbots for customer service. Use AI-powered chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support and improve customer engagement. Use chatbots to route customers to the right agents or provide self-service solutions. Step 12. Implement A/B testing and experimentation. Use AI-powered A/B testing tools to test different ad creative, targeting options, and bidding strategies. Use experimentation to identify the most effective strategies for your campaign. Step 13. Integrate AI-powered CRM systems. Use AI-powered CRM systems to collect and analyze customer data, including interactions with your brand. Use this data to create more personalized and targeted ad campaigns. Step 14. Utilize AI-powered email marketing automation. Use AI-powered email marketing automation tools to personalize and optimize email campaigns. Use automation to send targeted emails based on user behavior, preferences, and interests. Step 15. Stay up to date with the latest AI developments. Stay informed about the latest developments in AI-powered advertising through industry reports, webinars, and conferences. Continuously update your skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the competition. By following these 15 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating effective online advertising campaigns that leverage the power of AI for better targeting and personalization.